Right, here we are, factoring test review, part 3. The questions 21, 22, and 23 will actually be order of operations. So we will need to remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, where P is all of the grouping symbols, E is exponents, MD is multiply and divide from left to right, and AS is add and subtract as it occurs from left to right. Now, in number 21, the very first thing I notice is that I've got two terms that are being squared, or addition and subtraction. Definitely going to have to take care of the squares first. So we will have 169 minus, that's going to be 16 plus 5. At that point, it's all addition and subtraction, so you take care of it from left to right. 169 minus 16 plus 5 is 158. This next one has a grouping symbol, so we're going to take care of that first. That's P. 2 minus 7 is negative 5 squared plus 8 minus 3 squared. Now I've got two pieces that are squared. That's exponents. So I'm going to take care of this and this in this next step. Now when you put this into the calculator, make sure that you put the negative sign inside the parentheses. So you do parentheses, negative 5, parentheses, squared. Remember, some of your calculators you put the negative in before, some of them you put that negative in after. And by now you're comfortable with your calculators, so you'll be able to do it. Negative 5 squared is a positive 25 plus 8 minus, and then 3 squared is positive 9. Now grab your calculator, because once it is all addition and subtraction, it's 25 plus 8 minus 9 in my calculator, which is 24. The next one has a parentheses, which we know will go first. It has multiplication and exponent and subtraction. So let's do it. The first thing we take care of is inside the parentheses. 18 divided by 9 would be 2. Next we have multiplication or subtraction. Definitely the multiplication will go next. Oh, sorry guys, let me start over on that. Messed up a little bit. That is 15 squared times, that was 2 minus 19. Before we can multiply, I need to find out what 15 squared is. So on my calculator, 15 squared is 225 times 2 minus 19. Well, 225 times 2 would be next. That's 450 minus 19. 450 minus 19 is a calculator operation, so the answer would be 431. And last two are percent problems that we covered just recently. What is 52% of 40? And in your notes, we learned that what is the letter X is equals. If you're dealing with percents, you convert them to decimal by dividing the 52 by 100. Of means multiply, and 40. To calculate the X here, all I have to do is multiply 0.52 times 40. The answer would be 208. And our last one, 138, is what percent? We're going to use P because it's a percent of 200. To solve for the P here, I'm going to divide both sides by 200 to isolate the P, and that's solved for. Now I'm going to divide 138 divided by 200. 69. That is not the answer. Because we were looking for a percent, the very last step is to convert that to 69%. And that's it. Good luck on your test.